to share the summary of the novel that I read. The title of the novel that I read is Realize by Pauline Baby Boom. Louise Carrion. Maxine Ferguson's life is turned upside down after her parents' divorce, forcing her to move to New York and attend the elite Sky International Academy. There she meets Todd Samuels, her neighbor and the arrogant leader singer of the school band, Sky Derbians. As they are forced to work together in the band, Maxine and Todd develop an unexpected chemistry on stage despite their initial clashes. The novel explores their blossoming romance amidst the complexity of high school life, friendship, and rivalries. Realized by Pauline Baby Bubo, also known as Louise Carrion, is a teen fiction novel that revolves around Maxine Ferguson, a high school student whose life changes after her parents' divorce. She forced to move to New York and attend the elite school, Sky International Academy, where she meets Todd Samuels, her neighbor and the leader singer of the school band, Sky Derbians.